Welcome. This question from trigonometry. Prove that 1 by cosec theta minus cot theta minus 1 by sin theta is equal to 1 by sin theta minus 1 by cosec theta plus cot theta. First write the question. Look into the question. Left hand side and right hand side both are not in simplified form. If one side is simplified form, then other side is proved to the simplified form. But in this case, may be difficult to prove that left hand side is equal to right hand side or right hand side is equal to left hand side. Both are similar type. We will follow another method. That means first term of left hand side, second term of right hand side will consider and prove that second term of left hand side plus first term of right hand side. So we may be able to prove first term of left hand side plus second term of right hand side. That means if 1 by plus that is equal to so if condition is proved, then transferring 1 by sin theta to the left and transferring this term second term to the right, the original question will be proved. Now consider left hand side is equal to, now left hand side that is equal to adding left hand sides LCM cosec theta minus cot theta into cosec theta plus cot theta. So theta plus easily understandable cot theta cancelled. So cosec theta plus cosec theta 2 cosec theta. Denominator there is a formula a minus b into a plus b that is equal to a square minus b square. As per this formula, a minus b into a plus b, a means cosec theta, b means cos theta, that means a square means cosec square theta minus this last step may be reduced 2 by sin theta into 1 by 1 as writing here cosec theta 1 by sin theta from trigonometry cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta square formula from theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1 we have written here. So 2 by sin theta. Therefore, started from this portion, that means 1 by cosec theta minus cot theta plus 1 by cosec theta plus cot theta. So starting expression is equal to last expression. Or we may write if we add these two terms, we will get 2 by sin theta. So nothing is written extra. Now first term as it is. Now 1 by sin theta transposed to the left, so writing this 1 by cosec theta plus cot theta transposed to the right, so not writing here 1 by sin theta, writing first minus therefore thank you for watching this video.